What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at the South Florida DMV with a student doing his last practice before the driving test in about less than an hour. The DMV opens in less than an hour, so we're doing our last run through now. Again, I can't say which DMV it is, but if you know the area, you will be able to tell from there's landmarks outside. Alright, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel? Say the words, my friend.
Left on the curve.
What else do you do? You put the car in park.
Pull the handbrakes up, turn off the ignition.
Turn off the ignition. Alright, go ahead, do the turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. They're going to be doing that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horns are working, the turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. So before you show up to the DMV, make sure all those things are working. The last thing that they're going to ask you to do, and they started doing that recently, they're going to ask you to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Go ahead, turn the wheel all the way left so they can check the tire. The front tires. They're checking the back tires and the front tires. When they're done checking the tires, straighten the wheel. So go ahead, 2 times to the middle. Right. No, 2 times. You want to see Kia. In this case, it's Kia. If your car is a Toyota or whatever, make sure from extreme left or right, you see it in the upright position twice. Alright, now they're gonna tell you to reverse and go to the left. So go ahead, reverse from here. And we're gonna back straight out. So look behind you and just roll straight back. When your mirror is past the end of the line, that's when you're going to turn. So you're going to back out all the way past these cars. And about here, you're going to turn all the way to the right. Look behind you as you reverse. Keep looking back. Keep looking back. Don't use the mirror. Remember, do not use the mirror. Alright, that's good. Put it in drive. We're gonna go to the stop sign and make a left turn. Alright, make sure you come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make your left. Make sure you're going to your right lane. And you're gonna go down to the stop sign and make a left turn. Make sure you signal left. So as soon as they tell you to make a left or right, make sure you signal, because if you don't, you're going to be losing 4 points, right? So stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make a left turn. Make sure you're driving on the right side of the road. Go down into the end here where they have those garbage cans, and we're going to make a left turn. Stay close to the right side. We're going to make a right turn past this tree. Now when you get down to the tree, I want you to go slightly to the left, because you don't want your back wheel to hit this curb, so you have to kind of go out a little bit and make sure your mirror is past the curb. So right here, and turn. When you go around this corner, I want you to straighten up, because the next thing they're going to do is tell you to speed up to 20 and go 7 stops. So stop here. Alright, speed up to 20, sudden stop, and stop. Don't go too fast. Get it up to about 15, between 15 and 20. Alright, reverse, straight back, look behind, just let it roll straight back, no gas. Keep it in the right lane. You gotta start and end in your right lane. If you end up in the left side, they will fail you. If you end up in the parking lot, they will fail you. So you roll back just like that. Stop. Okay, put the car back in drive. We're going to go down to the end and make a left turn. Alright, stay close to your right side so you can park in between There's cones over here and there's poles with a girl. Alright, so you're gonna come down here and park. Okay, cool. Alright, so he already knew how to park somewhat. We've practiced that already, reverse. So I didn't have to do the line up the mirror thing because he knew how to do it already. But generally speaking, you would line up your mirror and turn all the way left to get into the space. If you haven't seen that, watch other videos or watch my parking video. I turn all the way right, look behind you, and back up into the mirror past this middle line here. That's good enough. Put the car back in drive. Pull up next to the line on the right side, because now you're going to do your 3-point turn. Just to your right side, signal left, turn all the way left, 3-point turn. Okay. All the way right. Now reverse, you're reversing, not behind. And then look over your left shoulder too, because when your mirror is past the middle here, you're going to stop. Okay, that's good. Put it back in drive, signal left, turn all the way left. And go to the stop sign here, come to a complete stop. Alright, go ahead and make it left. We're going to go back to the front of the building where the test starts. And I have to show this on the video. This is what the line looks like. These people are supposed to be lined up along the side of the building. This is what they're doing. They're standing up in the middle of the road. I don't get it. Slow down. And this makes absolutely no sense. Don't get it at all. That's what the line looks like. People are standing in the middle of the road. That is madness, but yes. Okay, so we're gonna make a left here. And then a quick left, and then you jump on the line and get ready for your license. Hopefully they'll get us in the door. Hey, that's the only thing right now, dude. You're not 100% on that one. But yeah. Park in between these two cars right here again. Okay. Alright, cool. Put it in park. Alright, so how you think you did?
Great.
Great? Great. Yeah. He did good, so yeah, I expect him to pass. No issues whatsoever. Alright, so tell these people to make sure they subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to our channel, Best Driver Teacher
in the world. In the entire world, yeah. Alright, so please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next video.